Fish taco is a great dish. I'm calling mine a crispy grouper and blue crab taco with a tomatillo salsa, avocado relish, and pickled Fresnos and shallots. First, I'm gonna take some grenadine and red wine vinegar, bring it to a boil, and throw it over the sliced shallots and the sliced chilies. So I'm gonna take the husks off the tomatillos and I'm gonna boil them for the salsa. I've already lost 2 taco battles, so I need to start redeeming myself.
What are we cooking? Grouper? No.
Yes, fried crab. Crab, obviously, it's rich and a little bit sweet. And then grouper is a meaty white fish that's gonna hold up to a batter and to be fried.
Corn tortillas, tomatillo salsa.
See?
What do you guys think? Looks delicious. I'm staying out of your way.
I get started on my crushed avocado relish. It's avocados, serrano chili, some lime juice, some scallions, and cilantro. I think this is gonna be the battle of the green versus the red. Because he's got like that beautiful red salsa over there. I'm making a green salsa. So I cooked some tomatillos, and I'm totally gonna lose this taco contest just based on the fact that Marlon came in and stared at me for like 4 straight minutes.
You know what? I'm gonna come back
Okay.
and you've got something for me to taste.
Okay.
But Bobby's a mess.
It's a mess.
I mean, I've never seen him get that.
Flustered.
But who cares? It's
We're gonna
good.
beat him, right?
So in the blender, I have the tomatillos, some spinach for color, put some cilantro in there, some honey, chilies, and some lime juice for the salsa.
Are you making tortillas?
Yeah. Masa harina. It's dried corn that's mixed with lime, and you mix it with water, and you have tortilla dough.
So it looks like both made a beer batter. And Bobby's got the rice flour, though, which is a little bit lighter.
I love that. Just super crispy crust.
All right, one more time. I'm just gonna have a little look. Bobby,
This is so unfair.
I just wanted to see if there's something I can taste.
Yes, you can. This is the spicy green salsa. It has tomatillos.
8 minutes left, just saying.
I'm talking.
Oh, sorry.
Chilies and cilantro.
Oh, that's lovely. Nice burn to it.
Okay. And then I have my fish I'm about to cook.
Oh, you're just about to cook it. Okay. His tomatillo sauce is actually really lovely. Not too spicy, got a lot of flavor.
The grouper and the crab, it comes out nice and crispy, a little salt, and it's time to stack my taco. So I have the homemade tortillas on the bottom of the plate, then I put some of the green sauce down, the fried grouper, the fried crab, some avocado relish, the pickled chilies and shallots, and some cilantro, a little squeeze of lime juice. That's it.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's really pretty. It's very simple. It's what a fish taco should be.